Alright, so it looks like the previous installer ran out of space in the rack, so...
You got no space for the brains, just go ahead and throw another shelf in there. I'll fix her up real quick. I'm very surprised there's no duct tape. I mean, some duct tape definitely would have kept this thing in place.
We'll find some duct tape in a minute here, I'm sure. Okay, here, alright.
Yeah,
let's just pull it out.
I just don't want to drop it.
That's alright. It's all trash. Hey guys, Warren Divine AV back with another video. So today we are rocking and rolling. So basically this client already had speakers in the room here. They're all sonance. We got some bipolars and some front firing drivers. Essentially we're moving the room around, so we're turning it this way. Benny is cutting in the front stage speakers right now. We're going to put a 2.39 screen there. It's going to be a custom built curve 2.39 that goes kind of between the trim there and the trim there. So we're going to custom build it to fit. He's already got the sides put in there. Rears, we're probably going to keep them in the rear slant because the couch is going to be so close to the wall. Projector is going to be moved back. Probably going to mount it from the slant itself so we can get the largest possible screen size. So we got Derek over here. He's working on the rack. We're ripping out all of this Control 4 stuff. So all the old Control 4 is gone. Yeah, that's fine. He's kind of ripping his arm off trying to get it out. It's kind of a rat's nest back there from the previous installer, so we're going to get that all cleaned up as well. And then we are doing 6 Sonos zones throughout the house using Sonos ports and some of the existing amplification. We're going to be adding a few new amplifiers as well. We'll kind of show you a little bit of progress as we go here. And then, of course, the end result, as always. Stay tuned. All right, so look at that.
We got power management systems. You got your backup battery right here. It leads
solid as a rock. Look at that. Look at that mounting position.
To this guy back here, which leads to this guy floating right here, which leads to those.
This is the proper way to do.
Other two in the back. Yeah. No, it's not dangerous at all.
Guys, this is basically if you're looking to burn your house down, like you have a death wish or something like that, then this is exactly, you have to follow this to a T. This is the wiring diagram. So like Derek said, it's from here to there. That floats to the one on the back wall, jumps to the side wall, and then you put this other one right there on the side.
I'm pretty sure it's wired straight to the power pole.
Yeah, and then you just and then you just get on the roof, wire it straight to the power pole, and then it's just guaranteed to burn the house down. So there you go, guys. That's the DIY of the day. Just pull that right out. Can you just pull the shelf out, or did they like screw to the shelf? There you go. Okay, I got this stuff. Yeah, there you go. There you go. It's one way to get some garbage down. Okay, cool. Sweet. Success. now it's finished.
I got you coming round in all kinds of crazy situations. First I'm up, then I'm down, a victim of my imagination. Just one look, it's all it took. Now I got the whole damn movie playing. Give me the doctor, get some pills to stop me hearing all these words they're saying. I got to get you out of my mind. It's driving me crazy, but it fits so nice. Get out of my head, into my life, yeah.
Couple of things here. So we are going to be using an SPL 120, adding that to the theater, changing the receiver out to a Yamaha 2080. Thing's a beast. Get some proper calibration going with that. And then we're adding a couple of overhead CS16s. We're changing this to a 9-channel configuration, 7.1.2 Dolby Atmos. It's going to be killer.
Don't turn it off yet. I know you really want to, but remember it's gonna go. Actually, it's right about where it is.
All right, guys, so check it out. We got the rack looking really good. Got it all cleaned up in here. Shortened up all the wires that are not being used. It's looking fantastic so far. Got the shelves ready. So get it all cleaned up. Make it so this rack can actually be pulled out and accessed.